Hello, my name is Robert Schwarz and I would like to inform you about the ECA online training course on cleaning validation. I would like to give you a brief introduction about my professional background and about the content of the training course. So, the topic cleaning validation is a topic with a lot of points to consider. Some may even say that there are some pitfalls related to this important part of GMP compliance, where we need to fulfill the requirements regarding the patient safety, the product's quality, and regulatory guidelines. In the training, we will cover all of the points you see here and many more. And those are additionally illustrated with practical examples from my professional experience. So, by the way, when it comes to GMP training, it is always important to have a qualified trainer where hands-on experience is a plus. So in my case, this is given with experience in cleaning validation since 2005, so I can provide some useful examples and probably can support you with answers that were maybe already asked in our industry by someone else. My expertise is based on my industry-related studies and the experience in the pharmaceutical industry. I'm working practically in the area of cleaning validation since 2005, so I've gathered quite some knowledge over the years. And this was also recognized in my company when I became subject matter expert for cleaning validation for a whole plant in a global acting pharmaceutical company. Since 2019, I can also share my experience with clients as a freelancer to support them with topics like cleaning validation, but a lot of other GXP related topics. And besides that, I've also experienced in teaching and training since 2008, lots of added value, so I'm confident that I can provide the content in an adequate manner. Finally, let's have a closer look at the agenda of the online training, Cleaning Validation. We start with the regulatory requirements, followed by important prerequisites for cleaning validation. Those are the hygienic equipment design and the cleaning process development. The core topic, cleaning validation, is illustrated with practical examples. We will also perform some sort of mini workshop, and then after focusing on sampling, which also includes the selecting of sampling points and different sampling techniques, we will also work on how to deal with deviation regarding cleaning validation, but also regarding ongoing cleaning verification. The topics segregation and shared facility are crucially linked to cleaning processes and cleaning validation, and they are discussed intensively in a lot of companies, and we will also take a closer look at those topics. And for those of you working in biologics or biological production, I will finally present some points to consider, because cleaning validation is maybe a little bit different for those products, for biologics and biotech. So that's it. Thanks for watching. I hope I aroused your interest in the ECA Cleaning Validation online training course, and maybe we'll see.